everyone, welcome back to your channel, The Novel Trading. I'm Urvana Kapur, your trading psychologist and performance coach. Today I'm going to talk about something that I have noticed in the trading market, and I would like to discuss that from a psychological point of view. Trading is not as easy as many fake gurus are publicizing on social media and YouTube. Titles like Make Quick Money with Trading, Learn Trading in Just 30 Minutes, Easily Multiply Your Money. 90% traders fail in the market, not because they are wrong, it is because they thought trading is easy and they can do it quickly. But when they're not able to do it, they can't accept this and they still continue to do the same losing actions and end up losing all their capital or blowing all their account. I'm not denying you can't double your money in a day with trading, but what I am trying to tell you is you require a lot of knowledge, practice, and patience to be able to do that. Don't expect you will be profitable the very first day or week or even a month when you have started trading in the market. According to me, trading is a profession which requires proper learning, continuous practice, good mentoring, right mindset, and a lot of time investment. No one asks a doctor to start making quick money before completing the degree. We don't expect a first year LLB student to win cases and earn lots of money from them. Then why do we expect the traders to be profitable within 1 month of learning of how to trade? Trading may not have an official degree, but it is still a profession and requires all the efforts and time as any other profession. We are expecting way too much and too early results from this profession, and that is actually messing up with our mindset and our psychology. Let us understand this by comparing trading and doctor as a profession. I'm taking 5 parameters for better discussion. First, proper learning. To become a doctor, we have to enroll in a proper university or a college and learn everything properly in a step by step process for an extended time period of 4 to 5 years. Similarly, there are a lot of trading institutes and individuals teaching and training trading setups. To be a professional, we require proper learning from a recognized place and not anywhere or any random and unrecognized college. So, it is important for us to properly learn and invest enough time in learning to become a professional trader. Second, continuous practice. Can we become a practicing doctor by just reading the theory and not actually practicing in the real world? No, right? Similarly, as traders, when we are learning, it is important for us to practice as much as we can on real charts, maybe not the real money. Surgeons don't practice their first cuts on real bodies, but on dummies. Similarly, traders should practice their learning on demo accounts. Third, good mentoring. Do you remember in school you excelled in the subject which was taught by your favorite teacher? And maybe you choose a profession based on some mentor in your life. It can be a professor, a fellow student, a family member, even a social figure. When you are becoming a professional, there are a lot of confusing decisions that you have to make in the beginning. Like an MBBS student has to decide which specialization he wants to do or whether he wants to study further, etc. So you require a good mentor who can guide you in the right path from the beginning itself. Similarly, as a trader, you should have a good mentor who can guide you in the right direction, help you get up when you fall, explain you your mistakes, and make you grow into a professional trader. Fourth, right mindset. Let's take an example. A student excelled in theory and practice on dummies, but he fainted during his first surgery. Do you know why? Because he got too stressed and was not in the right mindset. But with practice and counseling from the right mentors, he ended up becoming a great surgeon. This is a true story. Let's take one more example. Have you heard that surgeons don't perform surgery on their own family members? Do you know why? Because attachments and emotions can mess up your mindset and you may not be able to perform your best. Similarly, in trading, it is very important to have a right mindset when you are in the live market. This mindset can be built by your own mentor, and sometimes you may require help from professional trading psychologists and performance coaches like me. I take one to one personal sessions with my clients to help them build the right mindset to become a successful trader. To book your first trial session, you can WhatsApp on the given number, that is 9999494844. Fifth, time investment. You can't become a doctor in a year or two. You have to spend a lot of time learning the theory, practicing in the labs, or observing doctors in the real world. Becoming a professional is always time consuming. There is no shortcut to it, and don't even try taking one. So, to become a professional trader, you have to invest a lot of time in learning about the market, understanding proper setups, formulating your own rules, backtesting these rules, gaining confidence while practicing, executing the same on the real market, and being disciplined and consistent for a very long time. So, now that I've discussed these 5 parameters, you tell me, do you see the similarity between a doctor and a trader as a profession? Right? Then stop over expecting from yourself. Stop taking shortcuts. Stop believing in Hawk's post of quick money from trading. Stop getting trapped in this circle. Instead, invest your time in learning. Find the right source of learning. Practice on demos. Do backtesting as much as you can before getting in the live market. Find the right mentor who has gone through this journey of becoming a trader and can assist you to the right path. Don't just work on the setup or the strategy of trading, but also work on your mindset. Understand and balance your emotions while trading. I'm repeating again that trading is a profession and it requires a lot of effort and time, as any other profession. So, if you want to be a professional trader and not just a temporary profit maker, then treat trading as a profession. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and share it with your fellow traders. If you have any questions related to trading psychology or trading mindset, then do comment below. I personally answer all the queries. For more trading psychology videos, do subscribe to this channel, The Noble Trading, and hit the bell icon for latest updates of our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to book a personal trading psychology session with me to enhance your trading profits and mindset, then do WhatsApp at the given number. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another interesting topic of trading psychology and mindset. Till then, happy trading.